Welcome to our channel, Mathematics Resource Center. Pause the video, read through the question, and we are ready to begin when you are. The width of a rectangular block is x centimeter. If its height is 2/3 its width, so the width is that. The height is 2/3 its width, and its length is 4 times its height. 4 times its height. Then the volume in cubic centimeter is. Let's get a diagram. So that's a rectangular block. In other words, we could call it a cuboid. We're interested in finding the volume, right? But before we find the volume, we need to know the length, we need to know the width, and we need to know the height. They start off with the width, saying that the width is x centimeter. So the width equal x. Putting that on our diagram now. Good. Now that the width is x centimeters, they move on to say that the height is 2/3 its width. The 2/3 its width mean that it's going to be 2/3 times x, which is going to give me 2/3 x. So my height is actually 2/3 times the width, which is 2/3 x. They move on to say here that the length is 4 times its height. So for my length, it's going to be 4 times my height, which is 4 times 2/3 x. So it's 4 times the height, which is 2/3. So it's 4 times 2/3, which gives us 8/3 x. Now that we know the width, we know the height, we know the length. Let us find the volume. Volume equals length times width times height. What is our length? Our length, 8x. 8/3 x. What is our width? Our width, x. What is our height? Our height, 2/3 x. Good. Now that we have all of this, let us simplify. Simplifying, we get 8 times 2, which is 16. So 8 times 2 gives 16. 3 times 3 give 9. And x times x times x give x cubed. And that brings us to the end of our video. Remember to like and subscribe.